What's up guys? The next part of our destination is the launch of the Huawei P60 series, and a well-known tipster has suggested the flagship is coming in the first quarter of 2023 with a new Snapdragon chipset. A Viva tipster, classmate Quan, said that the Huawei P60 series is confirmed to launch by the end of first quarter of 2023. The tipster revealed that the Huawei P60 series will come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, but it will still have 4G access. On the other hand, there will also be a standard version with a flat panel screen. On the other hand, the flagship is likely to be the first flagship to run a pre-installed Harmony OS 3.1 operating system. Currently, Huawei is testing this software under the developer beta, and in January, it will enter in public beta. Around March and April, Huawei will release stable Harmony OS 3.1, which could match the P60 series unveiling. The P series will revive Huawei's legacy with the Huawei P60 series, and the smartphone will bring new photographic capabilities and X-image imaging technologies exclusive to the smartphone. The tipster suggested that the P60 series will debut in the first quarter of 2023. Yeah guys, there's a lot of input on the P60 series launch, and it will surely excite consumers waiting for the next Huawei smartphone in the premium segment. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile chipset comes with Spectra Cognitive ISP, triple 18-bit ISPs up to 3.2 GHz, Fast Connect 7800, Quick Charge 5 technology, and 4nm. Huawei's Mate 50 series was the first smartphone to feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4G chipset. On the flip side, the Huawei P50 series was the first in the industry to come with the Snapdragon 888 4G. In the meantime, there are some alleged renders that appeared online showing the phone with a square camera design and center pill-shaped hole punch. However, Huawei has not made any official announcement on the P60 series so far, but I'll keep you updated with the latest leaks and rumors regarding the Huawei P60 series. So yeah, let's see what happens in the future. That's it for today. Now, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.